Hello everyone, Prasad here welcomes you all to my brand new video. So today we're going to do a discussion about our future. Yes, and how we can determine our future. Everybody is very much interested in having a good future, thinking about it, making a mental picture about the future and actually doing things about the future. And then here I am to discuss three steps to determine your future. So step number one, any guesses guys, what should be the step number one? That is right mindset. Yes, correct. Unless and until we do not have the right mindset, we cannot determine our future or cannot craft our good future. So right thinking process is number one. In a right mindset, we must have the right thinking process. So we have seen in previous videos what is thinking and how can we develop a good and positive thinking. So having the right positive thinking process is the key. Second one is right environment, as we have discussed again that point in the previous videos. So you have to have the right environment to give your mind a good thoughts, good elements to your creating a good mindset. Have faith on whatever you have been decided and what you have been doing. So usually what happens, we always have the thinking process right, the environment right, but we do not have a faith on what we have decided on. So keep a faith on your purpose, have a great faith on your mission, your visions, your value systems, and whatever you are doing. So have a great faith on it. Just believe that it is going to happen, whatever you have planned and everything, and it will be yours one day for sure. Step number two is vision. To have a clear goals. So why we need a clear goals? It is very much important. The goals are our aiming points. So everybody is just talking about having good goals and having goals and keep yourself updated with the goals. But this is what it is for. I mean, aiming point. These are our aiming point. We have to know our aiming point, where we are going. So that is why the goals are important. Goals leads us to success. Very much important thing. Goals give us a direction. Very much when we are going from A to B position. So we have to know that we are going to B. That is why we need a goal. So it gives us the direction. It gives us a purpose to act on a daily basis. So we are having a purpose, everyone. So then this is the purpose. We must have the purpose to achieve something, to go to A to B. So that is why the goals are more important. And we need to have the vision to focus on results. So many of the times we do have a vision, we do create our visionary mind, and we do not focus on a result. So we just focusing on the journey, but as well as we have to focus on a result or a destination also. So that is the second element. The third and most important thing to determine your future is actions. So to achieve desired results. So why we need action for? To achieve the desired results, whatever results we are opting for. So to keep mindset and vision intact. So like mindset and vision, if we need these things to be intacted, we have to take the actions. And unless and until we do not take the actions, we don't get the results. To avoid unwanted and unplanned situations in a life. Very important thing. So what are the unwanted and unplanned situations in life? So most of the people we see, they are mediocre. They are not achieving their higher states and higher success, and they are not they're intended to have that mediocre life or sacrificing situations in a life, but they end up at being at that state. So that is an important thing, that actions are like help us to avoid unwanted and unplanned situation that comes in our life. So very much important things. So guys, here are three takeaways from to determine our future. So number one is develop a right and positive mindset, have clear vision and focus on what you really want, and third one, take better action than yesterday on a daily basis to achieve results. These are the takeaways. Please write down in a comment below your 3 takeaways from this video, how you are going to implement these 3 steps into your life. Just let us know, just let everybody know how you're going to do it. And please like our YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. Just go to our Facebook page and like to it, subscribe to it, and then stay focused and stay for our next videos as we go along. So thank you for so much for watching. Have a blissful life. Thank you.